talking to me, Snoop. Hey, Snoop Dogg, he ain't talking to me. He's talking to 86 on that end. Hey, Snoop Dogg, he's not talking to me. He's talking to 86 Hey, you ain't have to come double back on that end. Hello, President Obama. Hello, Pimp. See if you got a copy. Controller, getting on down.
Well, Big Sis, I don't know what you did, man, but if you switch radios or if you move them controls, go back to when you talked to me the first time. Go back to where you was the first time, controller. Alone, this is radio check break.
I'm going back. I'll be right back. Bye, bye, bye.
Over there, they can put them tools together, and them boys still can't do nothing with man. And put Big Chief over there, in that damn crazy house. Catch the leader controller, Snoop Dogg gone. In Connecticut, so it don't make no sense for young Snoop Dogg to keep up and call nobody in Connecticut. I'm taking my turn. I don't have to wait my... He's gone.
Dangerous T-Bird. Controller said we all got some type of reflex on that end. You just gotta work it out, man. Hello, Dangerous T-Bird. If you got a copy, controller sitting back in the easy chair. Right.
43, Chuck. There's a new player out there. Controller making it rough, man. Controller changing the radio. I didn't fire and they were rough. I couldn't figure out what was going on. Because old controllers out there in my radio. These two black-ass biscuits is getting down again.
Hello, Mr. Two Black Business, your brother controller. Hello, Two Black Business controller. Hey, Two Black Business controller sitting back in the easy chair. Two Black Business looking controller. Right.
That easy chair working for you, controller. Hey, controller, you say you're getting on into your two black biscuits. You're sitting back in the easy chair. That's what you're doing this morning. Hey, controller. Sitting in the easy chair. Hey, controller, these black biscuits is right back.
Right there, right back, homeboy. Hey, Two Black Business right there, right back when I'm just smooth cruising this easy chair around Little Rock, Arkansas, and that's the fucking end. Hello, Mr. Dangerous T-Bird looking controller. I'm just smooth cruising, said bye.
You're cruising. Downtown Little Rock, that's what you're saying, controller. Always a pleasure, man. I'll let you later, tell the sweet one, the little ones, and the gang. We say hello, howdy doody. Go sit back and read the mail and see what's going on. Controller, sitting in the easy chair. These two black-ass biscuits is clear, getting down, gone.
And I want to thank you. Hey, T-Bird, I want to thank you and everybody that didn't key. I had to steal that from Bad Attitude. I want to thank the duck pluckers that didn't key, because I didn't want them to get up under this mall. Hello, Dangerous T-Bird looking controller, said bye.
Bad Attitude working in. It's working in for you. Hey, controller, it's working. Sit back and relax, because you're sitting in the easy chair. Controller, got down.
Go. Where'd everybody go? Controller nosy, right.
You killed the man. Controller, you killed the man.
You said I done killed the band, shit. It ain't my fault. Mr. Dangerous T-Bird controller getting on down.
It's not your fault. That's the way my good nature was. Out there he had to go. When you put that audio with that stereo out there, they had to go. I'm 10-6.
Appreciate it. Yeah, I took the other radio out and put the other one back in. I took that radio out and put this one back in. And leave it like it is. Couldn't have that later, your homeboy got on down.
I'm going to send both of them gates to you. You're here. I'll send them both to you. I'm 10-7.
Yeah, that's why I keyed it up to see which one sounds different. That's why I keyed up to see which one sound better. All right, homeboy, I'm back quiet.
I'm getting on the East Coast right around and I'm getting on the West Coast. That's right, so. He had enough out there. He jumped out there when you and 860 was going to Two Black Biscuits. He jumped dead on the top of that audio. I'm just letting you know I'm back quiet.
Yeah, but I fixed that. I appreciate it. shit. That's why we ask these guys to Watergate and let us know what's going on. Put in lay Obama, your Secret Service back quiet on.
The radio he on right now is Pearson. Good audio, a whole lot of stereo, but nothing but audio in my radio. I'm 10-7.
Okay. Yeah, my brother was telling me the same thing. My brother was telling me the same thing, man. They said, get that goddamn radio out of the line. Good night, later, Obama. Controller, sitting back in the easy chair, said bye.
With the wave, I got it. Good job. All y'all had a good job. I was Xerox in the mail. Mr. 860, National Politicians Day. I'm back quiet. Well. I'm just listening to the fights. I'm back quiet.